Hi students, now we can realize all gates using universal gates. Today our topic is the realization of logic gates using universal gates or universal logic gates. Universal gates. Realization of logic gates using universal gates. Okay, so we have a NAND and NOR gates. NAND and NOR gates. How we can implement our basic gates we'll see in this class. First one is a NOT gate. NOT gate, I already told you universal gates is nothing but we can able to implement any boolean function or any other gates using can able to implement using NAND and NOR. So first of all we'll go for basic gates. How we can implement a NOT gate and AND gate and OR gate using NAND in the same manner using NOR. How we can implement that, we'll see that. Go for first one, NOT gate. NOT gate or inverter. Okay, we know that already, that is NOT gate is like this. It is having A is the input, Y is equal to A bar. Y is equal to A bar. Then see here, this is NAND gate. I am going to short two inputs. Basically that NAND is having two inputs. Minimum inputs are two. Those two inputs I am shorting. And those two inputs are shorted and connected as a single input. Then we are getting the corresponding output. This time verifying. So what is the operation of NAND? For example, in NAND operation I am taking two inputs AB, then Y is equal to AB whole bar. Here only I am taking one input. These two are shorted and given as a single input. That's why in place of B there is nothing, there is one or only single input A bar. Okay, that is the implementation of NOT gate using NAND. Okay, in these circuits, whatever we are realizing, NOT gate or AND gate or OR gate, in this realization all gates must be NAND only. Using NAND means if we are implementing using NOR means all gates are NOR gates only. Okay, that is the realization. Then using NOR, NOT gate, exactly same. NOR as having two inputs, those two inputs I am shorting and connected as a single input. Then Y is equal to, basically what is the expression, A plus B whole bar. Only here one input, that's why A bar. Okay, so simply one NAND gate and one NOR gate required for implementation of NOT gate. Okay, if you want to replace NOT gate using NAND or using NOR anywhere, like this you have to take single NAND or NOR gate. Then go for second one, AND gate. Let us take for two NAND gates we are using here. First I am taking one NAND gate AB. So here what is the output? AB whole bar. NAND output is AB whole bar. And here NAND is followed by, what is this one? NOT. NAND is followed by NOT. That's why A bar whole bar. A bar whole bar is nothing but A. That's why AB bar whole bar is nothing but AB. So AB expression is for AND gate. AND gate expression is AB. Y is equal to AB. Already we know. This is AND gate. A, B, Y is equal to AB. AND gate. This is the implementation using NAND. Implementation of AND using NAND. So we need two NAND gates. We need. In the same manner, go for implementation of AND using NOR. So this can be implemented like this. I am using two NOT gates using NOR for A and B and connecting to the NOR gate. This is nothing but A bar and this is nothing but B bar. The output of first NOR gate is A bar. The output of next NOR gate is B bar. These two are connecting as the inputs for NOR gate. What is the NOR gate expression? This is generally NOR gate. A and B, A plus B whole bar, general expression. In place of A we have A bar. A bar plus in place of B we have B bar whole bar. Here in place of A we have A bar, in place of B we have B bar, A plus B whole bar, A plus B whole bar is A bar plus B bar. Here by using De Morgan's law, A, this is I am taking as A and this is I am taking as B. We have A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar into B bar, and AB whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. These two are the De Morgan's laws. De Morgan's laws. So here I am using A plus B whole bar formula, A bar into B bar, A bar into B bar. So A bar is nothing but already A bar we have A bar, already A bar is A bar whole bar into in place of B we have B bar whole bar. A bar whole bar is A into B bar whole bar is B, AB, AB. Okay. So by using 3 NOR gates, we are going to implement AND gate. AND gate. That is the implementation of AND gate using NOR gate. If you are going to replace AND gate with NOR, we need 3 NOR gates. 3 NOR gates. Remember that. Then go for third one, OR gate. OR gate, similarly same as this one. I am taking two inputs A, B. A is connecting to one NOT gate, B is connecting to another NOT gate. Here this is NOT gate, nothing but A bar. This is another NOT gate, nothing but B bar. B bar. This is NAND gate. NAND output is AB whole bar. What is A bar? What is B bar, and whole bar. A bar, B bar, whole bar. Okay, AB, this is NAND gate. NAND gate output is AB whole bar. In place of A we have A bar, in place of B we have B bar, AB whole bar. If you simplify that, AB whole bar is nothing but A bar plus B bar. A bar, A, this is A bar plus this is B, B bar. A bar whole bar is A, B bar whole bar is B, A plus B. A plus B is nothing but OR gate, OR gate, A plus B. Okay, so if you want to implement a OR gate using NAND, we need 3 NAND gates, 3 NAND gates. Remember that. Similarly, go for implementation of OR using NOR. Implementation of OR gate using NOR gate. Same, I am taking 2 XOR gates, 2 NOR gates here. One NOR gate is A plus B whole bar and connecting to NOT gate. Let us see here. A plus B whole bar. This is A plus B whole bar output here. A plus B whole bar is connecting to what is this NOT gate. This is NOT gate. NOT gate. Bar whole bar. NOT gate is nothing but A bar. A plus B bar whole bar. A bar whole bar is A. Nothing but A plus B. A plus B. Y is equal to A plus B. Okay. OR gate. We are going to implement using 2 NOR gates. 2 NOR gates. Remember that NOT gate is single NAND gate. NOR AND is 2 AND gates, NAND gates. NOR is 3 NAND gates we need. In the same manner using NOR, we need NOT is same single gates, and AND is 3 NOR gates. For using NAND we need 3 NAND gates. For AND we need 3 NOR gates. Remember that, don't confuse. For the AND gate implementation we need 3 NOR gates. For the OR gate implementation we need 3 NAND gates. 3 NAND gates. And similarly for AND gate implementation we need 2 NAND gates. For OR gate implementation we need 2 NOR gates. These two are similar. These two are similar. And these two are similar. For your idea purpose, remembering purpose, I am giving that clue. Actually, that is not required. Okay. So this is about realization of basic gates using universal gates. Anything can be implemented using these gates. Anything can be implemented using these gates. And not only this, but also any expression y is equal to a bar b plus ab, implement using NAND. That one also you can able to implement. Any function, any expression can be implemented using NAND or NOR. This is a realization. Maybe we have a NAND and NAND realization, NOR NOR realization, from AND or inverter realization to NAND realization, like this. We have AOI to NAND realization or NAND realization, NOR realization. Very important one. AOI to NAND NOR realization we have to do. This is also a very important question in the examination. Already we did this procedure. Some examples we completed. How to realize Boolean expressions using NAND and using NOR. That is already covered. Just go through that one and focus on those topics. Those are very important. Thank you.